Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Con Life. Welcome to the channel. Most importantly,
welcome to the Smokies!
So we are here for the 4th of July weekend. I got my entire family with me. I'm going to introduce to you each member very quickly. We are staying in this beautiful cabin right here, 3-story cabin. I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of that as well. Main reason we came here was to get away from the city life. We wanted to leave Chicago and go somewhere nice and quiet and peaceful. Although we are the noise here. We're probably the loudest one here, but all together it's been an amazing trip. We are going to check out Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge. I'm going to show you guys that as well. But before we start, let's take a tour of this cabin. All right, we are here.
That was an epic drive.
Family is finally here. Let's have some fun. So one of our most favorite thing to do out here are definitely the trails, the drives that you can go on. We're heading up Roaring Fork Motor Trail. It's about a 10-mile drive, about 2 hours long. It's supposed to be a beautiful scenic drive. Feels like the scene from Jurassic Park. You got the 3 cars parked.
Raining. Got the sunroof open.
absolutely amazing to us. We had a great time. If you guys are looking for a quick getaway, definitely check out Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge. The highlight of this trip definitely had to have been the cabin. So if you guys want to make full of this experience, book that cabin. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.